Hey, what's up guys? In this video tutorial, we're going to set up the Akismet anti-spam plugin. So what I'm going to first do is I'm going to go to plugins right here. And usually this Akismet anti-spam plugin is usually automatically installed when you first install WordPress or set up WordPress because it's made by the same company that makes or manages WordPress, which is Automatic. If you don't have it installed, go to Add Plugin, go to Search Plugins, and type in Akismet. I could be like butchering this name, but it is what it is. And then you would just install it and activate it. I'm just going to go back to the plugins section here, and I'm going to click on Activate right here. And then you can manually enter an API key. If you don't have an API key, you can go to click on Get Started, and it'll take you to the Akismet website. And pretty much you're going to log in with your WordPress.com or your WordPress username or email and your password. But anyways, going to Akismet, you just go to the personal section. You don't really need the pro or business plan unless you're like an enterprise business pulling in a lot of money, but you can just click on Get Personal. And then you can move this slider here to the left, $0 per year. So you can get Akismet anti-spam protection for free. And you just confirm these radio boxes or check boxes and then go to continue with personal subscription. It may or may not work for me because I already have an API key, but let's see here. Currently I'm in Sri Lanka, but I'm based out of Canada usually. I'm Canadian, but that is what it is. Not a big deal. I'll click on continue. And it's still asking me for a postal code. So I'll just go to Canada. And I'm from Ontario. I'll go to Toronto as a city. And M1, J2, and 3. I'll go to continue now. I'll go to complete checkout. I don't really need to do this because I already have an API key. So it's kind of redundant for me. But let's see what happens with Akismet. So it says, thank you for your purchase. Here is the API key. I'm going to click on copy API key. Then I'm going to go back to my WordPress dashboard. Click on manually enter API key. Paste it in and then connect with API key. So the API key just allows you to connect to the Akismet service and we're all good to go. And it's finally set up. So whenever you have spam or users trying to comment on your WordPress website and pretty much flooding or breaking your website with spam, Akismet will usually catch it. It's a pretty good anti-spam filter for WordPress. And that's how you set up the Akismet anti-spam protection. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. And as always, live easy, sleep breezy, and stay lovely.